してるより愛してることを伝える言葉
Hi everyone. I just wanted to get in here and say normally my little cooking videos are not going to be this long. I just wanted to show people like my Goal Zero, my little noodle cooker. This is more like the little explanation of everything, how it works all at once. So jump ahead, feel free, and please put something in the comments below. All right, see you guys down the road, and here we go with the video. All right, so this is my Yeti 500X power station, which I love, and usually I charge it up using solar power. I have a big 100-watt folding solar panel. All right, before I begin, full disclosure, most of my viewers know I am recuperating, so I can't be outside in my minivan cooking the way I would love to. We're going to do a whole series on this. So I have a lot of solar cookers, and if I look outside the window again, San Diego is full of cloudy weather. So, and it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I want to eat now. I don't want to eat in an hour. So I wanted to introduce to you a few things. Now, my refrigerator, I have an Alpa-Cool 20-quart refrigerator. And when I go to the $1.25 tray and I buy these and I put them in my fridge, this sort of defrosts by the next day when I want to eat it. So I'm not cooking anything frozen. I did want to disclaim that. I probably could cook frozen in this little machine, but whatever. All right, so we saw my Goal Zero Yeti 500 solar power portable station, right? What am I cooking my little chicken sandwich in? I just bought this. I'm in love with it. I cooked quite a few little things, and some viewer wanted to see what it is. What's up about this? All right, so this is low wattage cooking for us. This is great if you're in a hotel room or you're a vehicle dweller like me. This is, it's by Nostalgia, I believe. It's called My Mini, and it's called the Noodle Cooker and Skillet, and I got this at Walmart for about $10. Now, the important thing is, see right here, it says 260 watts. All right, so I know a lot of you have like Jackeries, Blue Eddies, and everything. You may have a 500-watt solar power station, but what I do, I get on the phone and call Goal Zero, and I say, hey, I'm going to plug this into my power station. Am I going to blow it up? And it's either a yes or a no. So check with your manufacturer first before you do anything like that. Now then, let's take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, it's right here. And I'm going to cook this on the counter. So, that was fun. Usually I'm in my room doing stuff like this, right? All right, so here's what it looks like. This is really nice. It's adorable. Comes with its own little plug and everything. And 260 watts. This is the lid. And basically, this is a taller area than this. Now, so if I wanted to make a hamburger or a Boca burger or whatever I wanted to, I could put a little oil on the bottom, put in my burger, put the lid on top, and, you know, flip it over halfway between the cooking. And yeah, it makes a nice burger. This morning, I cracked 2 jumbo eggs, put it in here, and this is acting like a hot plate, so you put it in there and put the lid on top, and the eggs came out great. My 2 dogs, Shelby and Lucy, were happy to get the eggs, and these were jumbo eggs, so it did a wonderful job. So I'm pretty sure I could make an omelet with this. I love my Hot Logic Mini, and we'll go over that in the future, but an egg is mostly water, and it, you know, the Hot Logic Mini, it only cooks to like 165 degrees. This gets a lot hotter, so it cooks the egg really fast. I think it cooked the egg in 7 or 8 minutes this morning, both of the eggs, so that was pretty cool. Anyhow, we're going to have a lot of recipes. I'm going to go ahead and set this up in the kitchen, and I'll get back to you. So I just plugged in my Mini. It's going to take a few minutes to heat up. When the red light goes out, it's going to be heated up. Basically, we're going to have a chicken sandwich with barbecue sauce on it and a wonderful pickle. And of course, I keep pickles in my fridge outside, so I'm going to wait for the light to go off. All right, so one of the things I like about this is it was $1.25. It comes with 17 grams of protein, and we're going to flip it over. And so it has the protein. It's only 320 calories. And, if you look at the beef patty or the chicken patty, the first ingredient is chicken. Of course, it's mechanically separated, blah, 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 but it's not so bad. And here's what it looks like in its plastic wrapper. I can still see that it's partially frozen, but yeah, let's open it up. All right, now you don't have to eat both biscuits either, but I wanted to show you that everything comes apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the bottom plate and then put the bun and the cheese on top just to get it warmed up and everything. All right, so here's how I'm going to layer it. I'm going to put that chicken breast on the bottom, and then I'm squishing this down a little bit, the muffin, so because I want it to fit in there real good. So I'm going to squish that down a little bit more. There we go. I'm just going to practically try to steam the bun and get the meat to cook. So it is 12:24 right now. I did hear a little bit of sizzle when I put the meat in. While that's cooking, I'm getting my plate ready. I wanted to show you, I use a small little plate because it makes it look like I have a lot more food. All right, so it's been 3 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and rearrange everything in here. And we're going to check the little patty and see. Oh, nice and hot, nice and hot. Very good. We'll put the patty down. You hear that sizzle? I hear sizzling. And sizzling to me is very good. And it's only been 3 minutes. Why a pickle? Because you need a vegetable, right? Of course you do. I really do enjoy this barbecue sauce. It's sugar-free, 2 grams, and let's see how many calories. 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. Winner! And it's delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so that was another 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to rearrange everything. Oh man, so good, so good. All right, so what am I going to do? I'm going to heat the, oh, that's pretty good heated up. I have a hot patty. I'm going to put the cheese slice down. You can add more cheese if you want. There you go. So now it looks like the sandwich. That bun is really nice. I'm just going to give it another minute in there to toast up my bun. All right, I forgot to say, since I flipped it over, I only want it to be in there for another minute. You can unplug this. That hot plate's going to stay warm for a minute, so don't worry about it. Let it finish up cooking. I love all the steam on the top. Like I said, I haven't been disappointed in this thing. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the lid and plate it. Look at that. That looks so good. And like I said, it's only $1.25 and it tastes delicious. We're going to zoom over. My cheese is melted. Can you see it down there? Yeah, that cheese melted really fast. All right, so here's lunch. See the cheese, ooey gooey cheese? That is so important. There's my chicken patty, there's my bun. So I'm looking at about 350 calories for the whole lunch. And what? By the time I count in the pickle, $1.50? What a great bargain. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so delicious. It was so delicious, and I hope you enjoyed my intro to my mini noodle cooker. See you down the road.